I had a pretty unique situation, which was why I ended up having to buy this, but this is the Senven Touch-Up Paint. And all it is it's a little thing. It has a little applicator, a little unit that you can actually just swipe on the paint. So just say that you have like a baseboard that got messed up. Maybe you have animals. I know mine love the baseboards and my cats, but this was a unique situation. It was actually on a toilet that I found that I would need this. So I'm gonna show you how it works. We'll check it out. And just to mention, this is definitely safe and non-toxic. That was one of the main things that I was looking for as well. Again, I have animals, so I don't want them eating something that's going to be toxic. And it also is waterproof, which again, super important, especially because I'm going to be using this in the toilet. So very easy to use. So you want to make sure, of course, that you're cleaning the surface that you're applying this on. Then you want to make sure that you allow it to dry. That is super important. So you usually want to give it about 72 hours to dry. Here's what comes in the package. You do get the epoxy touch-up. So this is what it looks like. It is 1.5 ounces. And then you actually get a few different applicators. I already popped this one in, but this one does come separately. So this is just like a brush. You can see there that it's a brush that you can use to paint it on. And then you also get this little brush as well. I like that you have multiple options, so depending on what you're using. And then I really like that it has this flattener also. So just say that you're using it against a flat surface, you're able to flatten it as well. You do get an instruction manual that just kind of walks you through. And then you do get, I'm assuming this is a little sander, right? So that you can help flatten it out as well. But it gives you information on exactly how to do the installation and how to apply it. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm gonna show you, I actually already put this on. I probably should have filmed this before and after, but I already did it. But I wanna show you how well it worked in my unique scenario with the toilet. Okay, so here was actually the area that I used it. You can see that it does puff out a little bit. So I'm probably gonna put a little bit more on there just to kind of see, let it dry. Because what had happened, to be completely honest, it's a little embarrassing, but I was cleaning the toilet, right, with the toilet brush. And it was scratching off some of the paint and leaving behind the wood underneath. And it looked like poo, like, let's be honest. So I'm thinking like, man, people are gonna be using this and thinking my toilet is dirty, it's not clean. So then I found this and it actually worked really well, again, to cover it up to where you're not seeing that brown wood underneath, that you're seeing white. And I thought it looked actually pretty good considering it was really uneven. I think I need to try to sand it again though. So I'm gonna try that and see if that helps a little bit with the uneven surface. But I thought it actually looked really good. Again, now you can tell that it's more an issue with the paint and it doesn't have, you know, a poop stain on there. So final thoughts on this, I definitely recommend it. I think the only issue that I had was when I first opened it, it kind of like, so just be careful when you're opening it because I got some of this in my hair. I had to wash it out. So just make sure that you're really careful when you're opening it for the first time. It did come with a different topper again, and then this one is one that you can pop in there when you're ready. But yeah, I think that was the only thing I didn't like, is that when I opened it, kind of splashed on me. But really like this, super easy to apply, and then you get a bunch of accessories as well to help you with your application process. So really appreciate that. Definitely recommend this one.